Welcome to the info with me POCO C40, and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first let's open the settings application, and then we should tap here to Wi-Fi section. Then we'll see here Wi-Fi switcher, and just to activate it we should click here once on the switcher, and after that we'll see here all the available networks. For example, let's use the first network here. Just click once, and after that you should enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click here once on the eye icon, and after that, for example, you'll see the password to have now just some mistakes. I'll enter it out of screen, and then just tap here to connect. Wait a second. And now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. Sure, we can select more applications or more networks here, enter the password, tap to connect, and after that in additional settings we can see here the manage networks, save networks. We can see that we have here two connected networks to our device, and we can switch between them. For example, if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click here once again on this Wi-Fi switcher, and that's it. Also, we can just use it by the second way. Just first open notification panel shortcuts, and after that you'll see here the Wi-Fi just icon. Just to activate the Wi-Fi, you should click here once on the switcher, and if you want to turn it off, you should click on the Wi-Fi icon once again. Just to open all of the settings, you should hold for a while this icon and then click here more settings, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.